Alright everyone, welcome back to another video here with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. I managed to find two home run opportunities. One was 30% plus and the other was 50% plus at their highest point of possibility. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So here we are with Nndm, Nano Dimension. Now Nndm stock has actually pulled downwards here in this bearish run to a low of about 597, bounced off of it, and it's showing some strength here. So this is definitely something to watch carefully moving forward. As long as it stays above 597, there's a little bit of strength here, but we got some things to look at in a much narrow perspective. So the most recent low that we saw was back on Friday, and that was 629, and today it touched it, bounced off of it, and it's literally after market hours 1 cent above it. If it breaks through it, right, the next point of reference I would watch is down here at 618 before 597. So I want to dissect this chart as much as possible. That is optional for you as well to watch within these levels if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now to the upside, we want to see the bulls break through this first resistance level, and that's 644, turn that into a support, pull away from it, reach newer highs and new resistance levels, working its way up. And as it continues to push up, the highest point that we've seen in this volatility, right, downward trend and bounce back up, was up here at 663. The bulls definitely want to break through that and turn that into a support as well, creating that type of staircase effect, right? Staircase effect to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. So that is definitely something to watch and pay close attention to the upside. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you can join us over at the Discord. The link is down below to the Discord, and you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And that's something that you can join on in today, guys. Check it out. We look forward to having you join us. And I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that's becoming an opportunity, as well as how this morning's opportunities turned out, how I managed to find those two home runs. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I want to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before here on the Discord and Patreon, and it's come back down to the levels at the first time we started watching it, near these lows. Now, once we started watching it back in May, it nearly doubled a few weeks later, but this stock now, it's not that it's going to repeat the same history. If it does, even better, but it's at those levels and it's becoming an opportunity all over again, guys. Now we're going to look at that chart and how I feel about it in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. Today, I managed to find two home run opportunities, and we're going to look at them in just a moment. So we talked about EVK, VXRT, and DLPN. Let's see how they performed. Our worst performer was VXRT, but it still gave small jumps of about 5 to 10% at their highest jumps. So DLPN, we started watching in the pre-market, had a little bit of a jump, and it had small jumps on its pullback on the way down, but it actually consolidated right within this area from the 860s to $9, and then it took off, giving jumps of about 10 to 15%, but at its highest point, it gave a jump of 30% plus. It took a little bit of time. That's why timing and execution is everything. I usually look for 5 to 10%. Anything beyond that is phenomenal. And this stock turned out to be a home run opportunity. It wasn't instant, and it wasn't one of those instant gratification expectations, but it presented the opportunity we were looking for, right? Momentum. Now, here's the other one. Right after the bell, it dipped pretty hard. We started watching it near 395, started to run towards the bell. It was almost up 10 to 20%. It pulled down hard near those levels. Again, this is EVK, right? And it actually took off after that within just about 30 minutes to an hour, giving a highest point of 50% plus. And the rest of the day had small jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%. I mean, it was phenomenal, filled with opportunity throughout the whole entire day. But we caught this one pretty early on in the pre-market, had a little bit of a run, pulled back down, and took off within minutes. So if you guys want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us, and we look forward to having you join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. So what's the stock you want to add to your watch list? Well, this is a stock I've talked about before, and it's right back to those levels, and it's LOTZ, LOTS, okay? Last time I talked about LOTS was way back here in May when it hit the fours, brought itself back up. It was pulling downwards near 432 is when I started talking about it, and it took off to a highest point of 837, guys. That was phenomenal, nearly 100% in just a few days and weeks. Now, it's been in a downward spiral. Analysis price targets have not changed. They're still pretty bullish. And the stock, right, after this weekend, had a little bit of a jump up to 462 from the lows down here of 442. Now, if the stock continues to consolidate within these areas, it's going to continue to show strength. And if it goes lower, I will watch how it reacts within this area all the way down to $4. And even beyond that, if the lower it goes, the bigger the opportunity, because analysis ratings still point this one to the upside. The technicals are there. And once this reverses, it could have some potential upside, whether it's 50%, 20%, 10%, or 100%. I'm going to be watching this one closely. I highly encourage you to do more research on the company and everything about them. And as always, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just me enlightening you guys on the stocks I'm watching, why I'm watching them, and what attracted me to them. And it's just an opportunity to learn as well. So I hope you guys are always learning through these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.